A very good day to everyone watching. I am Abhinav Ashutosh, back with another video, another project, and this time it's a resume maker using React. React is an open source front-end JavaScript library which helps in building user interfaces. It basically gives you an interface to write HTML and JavaScript for individual elements together in the same place, which makes the entire development process a lot easier since you don't have to handle different HTML and JavaScript files for the same purpose while switching between them. If you want to learn React, the prerequisites are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a little bit of NPM. If you want to learn more about React, you can go through their official website that is react.dev. I'll leave the link in the description below. The application is quite simple: a content bar for adding your details, a customized area for changing the font size as well as the font style, and a download button for when your resume is done. So let's just go through a quick walkthrough of the application. So here it is, my actual resume with a few things hidden, of course, like my mobile number. And now that my resume is done and I want to download it, I just click on the download button, paper size A4 and margins none. I'm sorry, none. And there you have it. There's my resume. Now if I have to save it, I'll just save it in my downloads. And here is my resume that I made right now in front of you in this app. So this was my first project made using React, and I made it as soon as I learned something about the syntax, just the use state and the use effect hooks, and boom, I made it, and here it is. The learning curve was quite steep at first because I was learning a technology that is directly being used to develop web applications instead of the other indirect technologies or the programming languages that I knew before this. So I was a little nervous, but as soon as I completed my project, the first project, which is right in front of you, I was surprised because it took so little time versus using HTML and JavaScript directly. So from my experience, I would definitely recommend everyone to learn React. It's much easier to understand and implement after obviously you pass the learning curve. I leave the links to the GitHub repository and the hosted website in the description. You can leave a star on the repository if you like it. If you have any suggestions on what I should cover next or suggestions on my projects, please leave them in the comments below. I promise I'll implement at least some of them. If you like the video, which is highly likely, please give it a like and subscribe if you want. And that's it from my side. Bye.